And we are back again here on my diagnostics. I have a 2008 Toyota Rav4 4-cylinder 4-wheel drive. I have a case study that going on in here, and boy, this almost took everything off me. But I'm so glad I did a little study and learned a few things, you know. Anyway, I have here, let me turn off, no, I can't. Alright, I have here, I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can cover that light. There. Oh, look at that. System too lean. Of course, this is a 4-cylinder, so it's only on bank 1. But this is too lean. I'm on closed loop, normal operating temperature. That's my engine RPM. Look at my mass airflow sensor, O2 sensor, bank 1 sensor 2, and my air fuel ratio sensor. Let's go to grab. My AC is on, that's why it cycles up and down. But there you go. There's my O2 sensor, my AF, air fuel ratio is working right. O2 sensor should be, if everything is idling and normal, it should be steady. Let me turn off the AC. There. Turn the AC off. Should see that one. There you go, steady. Not going up and down, because you know when it goes up and down, something's not right. But when there's no load, that's what I meant. But I'll do a snap throttle check for our air fuel ratio sensor. Watch how it goes. 4 volts something or higher, and then come back down. You saw that one, huh? There you go. So air fuel ratio check. That's good and running. Let's check our throttle and mass airflow sensor. They usually mimic each other. So when I move the throttle open, see how the mass airflow sensor goes up as well. Increasing some more. Wide open. So I'd say those two are okay, especially that 2.2 something and up and down. I think we're in a good spot for the mass airflow sensor. And again, closed loop, intake air 109 degree Fahrenheit. What else? Yeah, that's about it that you would need. But look at my long term, 39.8. If I open the throttle, that went bad a little bit, but at 3000 RPM, that's all I get. 37 still, 37% still lean. Now, the mass airflow sensor was changed I checked my air fuel ratio. Like I said, it works. So I hook up my fuel pressure gauge. My specs is, let me show you what my specs are. Oh yeah, and by the way, I did all that. I did that fuel injection. The volume there, I control the injection volume that goes in there, and I see how those AF sensor, and they also give you a set parameters. You see, if it goes rich and lean, what are you supposed to expect voltage wise and whatnot. But here's my fuel pressure specification: 44.1 to 49.7 psi, and I currently have 40. Believe it or not, yesterday when I did this, it was at 44, so it's kind of hard to judge, but I did it again today just to be sure that maybe, I don't know, something tells me something's not right. So I hooked it up again, and there you go. I think most positively that's causing my fuel system to lean. My injectors are clean because I cleaned this. I cleaned my injector using the same strategy, and by doing so, I said, you know, let me do a fuel system, fuel induction service. I did a fuel injection cleaning. I pushed fuel in there with a regulator, and sure enough, the moment I did that, I saw changes on my fuel trim, and that gives me my diagnostic that this is a fuel pump issue, and that makes me do the fuel pressure check again for the second time just to be sure. And thankfully I did it, and there you go. That's my answer to all others out there. When you're having a P0171 on this 4 cylinders Toyota, it is common, the fuel system to lean. But before you replace parts, check their operation. Do they act? If you put the car into a rich mode, does your sensor react to it? If you put it on lean, does it react? Clean your mass airflow sensor first with a mass airflow sensor cleaner, not just anything, just to be safe, otherwise you'll break it. But clean it first. If you see any changes, by all means replace it or let it stay like that. But if it's still the same, like I said, to be really positive what's going on with this, drive it, look while it's idling, look while you're driving using a scanner. There's no other way to figure this out but use a scanner, because that will lead you to check other things, whether you have to do a fuel, a wire checking, short or open, or something's not controlling it. Before you go to those areas, you need a scanner. It will help you a lot, and I hope it helps you diagnose your car. Again, common cause of this thing: injectors could be clogged, anything that the computer senses that it's not getting enough fuel, or it's getting too much air. Anything that would cause that, the car goes to lean mode, means the computer will try to dump as much fuel just to reach that 14.7 to 1 ratio, the stoichiometric air and fuel ratio. So that's what's happening. So again, I hope it helps you diagnosing your car. So till next time, bye bye. Please like, share it. You might be able to help someone else. Okay, and subscribes and subscribe. I know some of my videos are not good. I'm a newbie on this thing, but I'm trying to do my best here. All right, thank you. Bye.